Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, print jobs won't delete in Windows 11. Fix it now. First method is change services settings. Second method is delete all files inside printers folder. Third method is clear all printer jobs. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.